effect to our presentation. Okay. So what is transition? Transition effect appears when one slide changes to another slide during slideshow view. Okay. So now we will see in the practical that how it will look. For that I have written chapter name over here, enhancing a presentation, and for adding the transition effect we have to first select it. Remember one thing, that whatever you want to try the options, first of all you have to select the option, select the text or picture or any type of object. Okay, then only it will appear on your text or objects. So first of all I have selected it, and then after I will go on the transition effect. You can see over here there are many effects has given over here. If you will click on this, you can see that many more transition effects has come. If you will try this one by one, what will happen? You can see, suppose I am choosing this one, save. What will happen? It will appear like this. I will decrease the duration over here. Sorry, I have increased, but now I have decreased it. How it will look? Wait. Yes. So then if we will select on the random bar, it will look like this. Means it totally change your appearance of your presentation. Okay. There are many more, you can select on anything. And then after, if you will go on the effect option, you can see from here there are many options, like from left means on which side you want to apply this type of transition in your presentation. Okay, on which side means from the left or from the top or from right or from bottom. See, one by one we will apply this on everything. Let me change the duration time, then after we will go. See, it will look like this. I think it looks nice before the previous slide, right? Because it has totally changed your appearance of the presentation, and it also shows your presentation in a presentable way and very effective manner. So again I am making another. For adding a new slide, we will go on home tab. Okay, here you can see the option new slide has given. If you will click on that, a new slide has appeared on your presentation. You can write over here anything. So I am writing over here class 6. We can change the font size from here. 88. Now it's okay. Okay. Now we will add the transition effect on this also. So for that we will select it, and then after again click on the transition effect and choose any other thing, like I am choosing this one, honeycomb. See, it will appear like this. Okay, you can change the duration from here, and if you will click on apply to all, it will apply on all your slides. Okay, but I will not apply on all my slides. So again we will see that how it looks. So for that we will go on slideshow tab, and then after from beginning we will choose. See how it will look. This is our first slide, and this is our second slide. So your appearance has totally changed, as you have seen. Okay, so this was the transition effect. Now the next topic is inserting sound clips. I can show you that how you can insert the sound in your system, in your not in your system, in your presentation, but it will not means the sound will not come from my PC because the speaker has not installed in it. Okay, so but I will show you the way that what are the ways to inserting a sound in presentation. For that you have to click on the slide, which slide you want to add this sound. Means suppose I want to add my sound, I want to add any type of sound on this slide, so I will select it. I have selected this slide number 1, enhancing a presentation, and then after, since it has selected, we will go on the insert tab. Click on the insert tab. You can see over here video and audio options has given. Click on the audio option. You can choose the audio from your file which has inserted in your PC, or clip art audio you can select from here. So now I am selecting audio from file. If files has installed in your PC, it will shows like this. Okay, you can scroll it through the scroll bar. I am selecting this one, and then after it has come on the file name, and then you will click on the insert option. Since you will click on the insert option, the speaker icon will come here. You can see over here, you can increase or decrease the size of icon from here. Okay, you can move also from here, since it is disappearing your text, so that's why I have shifted from here. If you will click on this is the play and pause button. You can see over here, and you can also see what is the shortcut key for play and pause. Alt plus P. If I will click on it, it will start sound. It will start coming out through the sound through the audio file. Okay, you can see over here the timing has given. Since speaker has not installed in my PC, that's why sound is not coming from my PC. Okay, but if the speaker is there with your desktop computer or in laptop, so obviously it is there, the sound will come. You can listen sound also, and it will add it to your presentation, to your slide. Now you can pause from here, and again you can play from here. Okay, these are the buttons.